Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix the avatar page is temporarily unavailable in your Roblox. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your avatar page is temporarily unavailable in your Roblox, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open the settings. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see your apps. Just click on the apps. Click on the see all apps. You can see search option. Just tap on the search option. Here you need to find Roblox. Tap on the Roblox. In this you will find storage and cache. Just tap on the storage and cache. Here you can see clear cache. Just tap on the clear cache. After that you will find clear storage. If you have remembered your Roblox login password, then you can tap on the clear storage. Just tap on delete, then go back. You can share permissions. Just tap on the permissions. In this you need to allow the permission for the camera. Just tap on the camera. Just allow the permissions. Like this, one by one you need to allow all the permissions. You can see you need to allow all the permissions for this, then go back. After that you will find mobile data and Wi-Fi. Just tap on this. Guys, in this you will find background data. You can see this is enabled. Just disable this option and enable it again, then go back. After doing this, once you need to restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix the avatar pages temporarily unavailable in your Roblox. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.